Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I got Popeyes today, halfway. I've already started eating it. And I wasn't gonna make a video, but I'm like, let me just give y'all an update on the ghost pepper wings. I had them back in January. And this is strawberry Fanta. It's so good. I had the wings back in January, and I like the texture and stuff like that, whatever. And it wasn't that hard. And today, they still ain't that hot. But what I did have that I didn't last time is the jalapenos, which is giving it some type of spice. Oh. Come on, the sound. How about these people from Philly that escaped prison? Went on a run. And one of them was court last night. And Philly. And all I gotta say is, he was free. He was free. Yeah. But I feel like with that, somebody had to tell on him. Because there's no way they know exactly where you were, what you had on, what you was doing, none of that. Whoever he was around must have let him up. They said the reward was like $20,000. Then they said something. I just be hearing through social media. They said they doubling it. I was like, It was crazy. Where is? Don't worry, I got another one, a free one. I left. I'm like, oh, I didn't get my jalapeno. She like. She like, I swore I put it in the bag. I'm like, did you? No, I was like, nah. Whole time it was in the bag. Never knew until I got home. I really love the texture of this chicken. Like real bad. It was like, did y'all taste that strawberry biscuit? Strawberry biscuit was, they on to something with that. Mine was nice and fresh, nice and hot. Because I ordered it They must have forgot it, so I checked the bag. You really gotta check the bag with these orders, like any food in general. Not even just fast food, like here. Not just fast food. It's still 6 wings for $5. The combo, $10. Come with the side, the soda, and the biscuit. Of course, I got French fries. How y'all been though? I've been MIA for a little while. Cause people is crazy these days. Like, bat crazy. Whew. It's like, it gets worse every day. I don't know who worse, females or guys. I don't know who worse. And it's sad because they make us look at people as a whole, like everybody acts like that. That's all I gotta say is Me being the type of female I am, I will never do certain things that other females do. Like, things that make me look crazy, things that make me act crazy, react crazy, whatever. It can never be me, the shit that people do. People really gotta learn to move on. Move forward. A lot of people don't want to move forward because they're scared to. Or they're scared of being alone. And it's like, why do you... I'd rather be alone by myself, enjoying my own company, treating myself, whatever, than to be with somebody that it's never gonna work with. Or they don't respect me as a person or a female or whatever. I don't know. Oh. But that's what makes me different. That's what separates me from everybody else. I'm not like everybody else. I'm my own person. Let me taste this biscuit. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but what John say? It's whatever. Oh, this biscuit look dry. But I'm gonna try it anyway. I think the honey made it work. But in the end, life is good. God is good. And I'm good. done with that one. See the seeds. But ooh, they jalapenos inside. I like the look. Popeyes has, I don't know. I'm about to say Popeyes has not been out since 1972, but whatever. All right, y'all. I'm out. I'll see y'all soon.